Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English second paper class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is voice changing interrogative sentence rules 1 to 8. I repeat, our today's topic is voice changing interrogative sentence rules 1 to 8. Dear students, look here. This is our lecture number 11 and SW number 10 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students, look here. I am telling again. This is our lecture number 11 and SW number 10 on our annual term syllabus. My dear students of class 7, before going to our main session, let's start our class with the definition of interrogative sentence. Dear students, interrogative sentence is a sentence which asks a questions and it is punctuated with a question mark at the end of a sentence. This is the definition of the interrogative sentence. Now, let's start with the rules. Rules of changing sentence from active to passive. Number 1. Interrogative sentence beginning with auxiliary verbs am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had. These are the auxiliary verb. Okay, keep it in mind. Number 1. The given auxiliary verb according to person and number. Number 2. The object becomes the subject. Number 3. Be/being or /been according to tense. Number 4. Past participle form of the given verb. Number 5. By. Number 6. Agent. The subject becomes the object. This means the agent. Look here. The subject becomes the object. Last one is questions mark. Mind it. Okay, in the interrogative sentence there must be a question mark at the end of our sentence. Dear students, look here. I have given a note. That means notice about that be is used in the simple future, being is used in all the continuous tense, and been is used in all the perfect tense. So look here. Here I have given an example. It is an example of active sentence. Is he reading a book? So look here. Is he reading a book? Now we will do this sentence into passive. So look here. Is he reading a book? Is a book reading, that means present continuous, is a book being past participle of the main verb read, is a book being read by him. Then question mark. So look here. I am telling again, in active it is written is he reading a book. In passive we have written is a book being read by him. Question marks at the end of our sentence. Now rules number 2. Interrogative sentence beginning with do or does. Formula: am, is, are. The object becomes the subject. Past participle form of the given verb, mind it, past participle form of the given verb. By agent, that means the subject becomes the object. Questions mark. So look at an example of an active sentence. Does he help me? Okay, now we will do it in passive. Does he help me? It will be am I helped? Am I helped by? So look here. In active it is written does he help me? In passive we will write am I helped by him? Question mark. Am I helped by him? Now rules number 3. Interrogative sentence beginning with did. So look what is written here, did. That means past structure or past tense. It is was where the object becomes the subject. past participle form of the given verb by then agent. Yes, you know this. The subject becomes the object. Last one is questions mark. So look at an example of an active sentence. Did they play football? Okay, now we will write in passive sentence. Did they play football? Okay, we will write here was, because football is a singular word. Was football, or football is a singular noun. Was football played, past participle of the main verb. Was football played by them? Question mark. Nobody will forget to put full stop, question mark at the end of our sentence. Was football played by them? Okay, now rules number 4. Interrogative sentence beginning with who. Look here. Interrogative sentence beginning with who, that means WS questions. It is by whom, auxiliary verb according to tense or person. The object becomes the subject, past participle form of the given verb, questions mark. So look at the example. It is written here, who teaches you. What is it? It is written here, who teaches you. Now we will write the passive of this sentence, who teaches you. That means by whom. Look here, by whom we have taken the word from here. By whom are you? By whom are you taught? Taught. TAUGST. So look here, by whom are you taught? Look at the spelling taught. Teach, taught, taught. TAUGST, taught. Okay, I am telling again so that it becomes clear, crystal to you. By whom are you taught? Now, okay, we will go to our rules number 5. So look here, what is written here? Rules number 5. Interrogative sentence beginning with what? What is written here? Interrogative sentence beginning with what? What? Auxiliary verb according to tense, person and number. Be, being, been. Past participle form of the given verb. By, agent. That means the subject becomes the object, questions mark. Look at the example. What is he eating? What is written here? What is he eating? What? So follow me. What is being? Whenever the sentence will be present continuous, we need to take an auxiliary verb. It is being. What is being eaten? Past participle. What is being eaten by? By him, question mark. So look here, what is being eaten by him. Now rules number 6. Interrogative sentence beginning with which plus noun. Which noun, auxiliary verb according to tense, persons and number. Be, being, been if necessary. Past participle form of the given verb. By, agent, you know this. Last one is questions mark. Which book do you like? So look, which book do you like? Okay. Which book, auxiliary verb, that means is liked, past participle of the main verb, is liked by you. Look, very easy. Which book is liked by you? Which book is liked by you? Rules number 7. Interrogative sentence beginning with which plus noun. Which plus noun? Which plus noun? Auxiliary verb according to tense, persons and number. Be, being, been if necessary. Past participle form of the given verb. By, agent. Last one is questions mark. So look here, whose car did you hire? That means it is written in past tense. Which car did you hire? Okay, look at the passive sentence I am writing. Which car was hired? Was hired by you. So look here, whose car, same things. Then auxiliary verb. So dear students, look here. In the questions it is written did. That means we need to take an auxiliary verb of was. So look, whose car was hired by you. Whose car was hired by you. Now rules number 8. This is our last rules number. Interrogative sentence beginning with when, where, how, where. So look here. Number 1 rules, when, where, how, why, these are the common things. Auxiliary verb according to tense and person. The subject becomes the object. Be, being, been, necessary, past participle form of the given verb. Always you will do this. By, agent. Last one is questions mark. Look here, this questions mark. And why do you disturb me? What is the example of active sentence? It is written here, why do you disturb me? Now look at the passive. Why do you disturb me? Then why? It will be am I disturb, T-U-R, disturbed by. Why am I disturbed by you? So look, why do you disturb me? In passive sentence I have written, why am I disturbed by you? Dear student, this is our rules number, okay, up to 8 we have read. So I am telling you again so that each and everything becomes clear crystal to you. Okay, I will tell only the active sentence and the passive, not the whole one. So look at the active sentence of rules number 1. Is he reading a book? Is a book being read by him? Is a book being read by him? Rules number 2. Does he help me? Am I helped by him? So look, does he help me? Am I helped by him? Rules number 3. Did they play football? Passive. Was football played by them? Was football played by them? Rules number 4. Who teaches you? By whom? It is written in the questions. If it is who, that will be by whom. Look here. By whom are you taught? By whom are you taught? Teach, taught, taught. T-A-U-G-S-T, taught. Rules number 5. What is he eating? What is being eaten by him? What is he eating? This. What is being eaten by him? Rules number 6. Which book do you like? Which book is liked by you? Rules number 7. And active. Which car did you hire? Passive. Which car was hired by you? Now rules number 8. Why do you disturb me? Why am I disturbed by you? Okay, dear students, look at the end of our board. It is written our homework. This is our 10th number homework or SW. Voice changing interrogative sentence rules 1 to 5. Only examples. Dear students, I am telling you, no need to get hesitate. I am telling you so that you becomes very easy and comfortable when you do your SW. Listen, you will do your SW only rules number 1 to 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 you will do your SW. Listen, I am telling you, nobody will write the formula or the structure. You will write once number, then active sentence, then the passive. 2 number, active sentence, then the passive. That means only the examples you will write as your SW. Dear students, I hope all of you have understood this important class. And look here in the board, I have given my messenger ID. It is Abul Kalam. What is written here? It is Abul Kalam. Listen, I am telling you, nobody will feel hesitate to write me in the comment box. If anybody has any query regarding our today's class, please don't hesitate to write me in the comment box. And finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.